Your name?
Karen.
Karen, and we're so excited to have you here.
Thank you.
And we're just getting ready to get started. Are you excited?
Absolutely.
Awesome. So we'll check back in, and we have Vaughn. Vaughn Shane here from Pittsburgh. Vaughn, what are you hoping to get out of it?
Some more, it sounds cliche, healing.
Yeah.
Completely more, get organized in my brain and my emotions and basically just get it on a page.
That's awesome. He's already started checking it out.
Good to go Toledo.
And you want to give us your name and then all the wonderful, can you just give like a little snapshot of what you do?
Sure. I'm Jordan, and I run Listen Lucy, which is a mental health organization. And I speak to middle school, high school, colleges, and mental health organizations about my story. And I'm here because I love Amanda, and I couldn't wait to meet you. And I love to connect with people, so I'm really looking forward to tonight.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for being here.
Sure.
They said Pittsburgh looks a lot like Toledo. Amanda.
Hi.
The one who thought of this right to heal. Amanda, what are we going to get into tonight?
We are going to talk about how to empower yourself through personal stories for personal growth, professional growth, and creative growth.
That's awesome.
Yes.
We're so excited to get started. And then Tony.
Hi.
Tony, what do you hope to get out of here?
How to break through barriers, inner barriers.
That's awesome.
Yes.
Thank you
Yes.
so
You're welcome.
much. And I didn't get to ask you, what do you hope to get out of tonight?
Well, I'd like to share my story with others, and in order to help them, sort of. And
Yes.
I don't know, I'm stuck.
That's all right. That's why you're here.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Any thoughts on?
Anything, whatever comes straight to you.
My brain hurts. Yeah, it's a lot to take in, but it's really good, very inspiring, and some good practical steps to get started.
Awesome. Thank you, Joy.
You're welcome.
Awesome. We'll connect.
Yes.
Okay.
Can I get you to sign my book?
Yes, and I will. Can you give us what did you think about it? Because you drove up from Lima.
I did. Very inspiring, insightful, so much information, and it's just purging to get that life out there.
Yes.
That's important.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Michelle.
Melissa,
Sorry. Melissa.
I'm excited to continue going on. This was exactly what I needed. So this is like a push in the right direction.
Thank you.
I can't wait to keep writing. This was worth every penny, and it was probably better than like 6 months of therapy. This is so powerful.
You go. I can't wait to read it.
I can't.
Profound.
This has just been life-changing for me because I've always felt I had something to say that the world needed to hear, and you sharing your story was almost like a mirror.
Yes.
What little you shared, it's like it's a mirror. It's possible, and I need to get out of my own way.
Yes.
Thank you.
Tim, thoughts?
Well, I always knew that I wanted to tell my stories.
Yes.
Not that they would have any value to anybody else but me, but at the same time, I really wanted to do it. Now is the time in my life when I have the time to sit down and actually do it. Thank you, Amanda. Wonderful song.
Thank you so much, Tim.
So then that is a part of
These ladies
self-care and what you're doing, and now trying to transition and figure out, okay,
We
are.
I just want to hear what you're saying, Deborah. What are you saying? Please share.
We're talking about how writing can be a part of self-care.
Yes.
And how important it is that when you are working with others and helping others heal, that you're working that process yourself too. So that's what we're talking about.
I love that, Deborah. And then anything else? What do you feel about the workshop?
I think that it serves a wonderful purpose to the community. I think that more people need to dig deep and get into this stuff. And I think that the room was moved.
Yeah,
that's a good thing.
That's a good thing.
And hey, you just do it by one room at a time.
Yes.
That's fabulous.
Small.
Yeah, and I think that's key. Community, because in this society we are taught to disconnect, even though we're not even cognizant of it. Everything from our cell phone to the computer to the way that we live our lives, and this helped us form that community that is missing.
Right.
It doesn't matter black, white, male, female,
left hand, right hand. It's important it's not just about accepting each other, it's about embracing each other.
Correct.
Because until we do that for each other, we are so programmed to not do it for ourselves.
Correct.
And so to, really heal community, socioeconomic, racial, gender, it doesn't matter. We have to give each other permission to let our light shine as bright as it can, and it starts by giving it to each other so that we can do it for ourselves. And that's why community is important.
And then even taking that, the only way for us to do that is for me to actively listen to him, for me to say,
Thank you,
Deborah, what do you do with yourself? How do you take care of yourself? And not what I think I know, but really taking that mask off of everything that I may have learned about someone that looks like you or talks like you, and really just looking at the light that is within you and honoring that. So
I love you. I love you, Diana. I love everything that you do. Thank you for bringing inspiration to everyone. Love you. We love you. Love you. Mwah. Love you.
See you. Did you want to have it work?
It was awesome. I appreciated the whole thing. No tear. Well, on the verge of tears.
Yeah.
But it was okay. It was good.
Thank you.
It was great. I have a lot to think about. I have a lot of work to do. I did like the third person writing because I felt like putting it in a different person, I didn't have to make excuses for myself. Whereas if I write in the first person, I'm stuck because I feel like I need to excuse all my actions and excuse all my thoughts. Whereas if I put it on someone else, that was easier for me.
Thank you, Mary.
Yes, Diana.
I love the title, and I can't wait to read it.
Girl, I have so much work to do. I mean, I think, and you and I have discussed this, it's just pushing me towards the mission and the goal, and we're working together to accomplish this. But this was a little harder than I was anticipating, only because creativity is normally just something that flows right out of me, but when you actually have to put pen to paper, it's a little difficult for me to kind of express into words. So thank you for hosting this and allowing us to kind of venture on into our next step and journey into this great place we're going to go in.
Yes.